Let's now look at commodities as well. And we have Manisha Gupta in the house for exactly that. Manisha, what do you have your eye on?
Well, metals, because, the last couple of days were positive. We saw some buying coming in, but that clearly has turned in the New York session yesterday with two global central banks putting up rate hikes and the dollar index back up again, 101. We are looking at pressure here. Add to that the fact that the China stimulus has still not come and the demand from China remains on a muted side. Also, when you look at inventories, those seem to be gaining. So when you look at copper, we have seen production increase and the inventories also gain up. So in the year 2022, between the first 5 months of the year, we saw a deficit of 74,000 tons there. Now, in 2023, we have turned that into a surplus of 287,000. So we are sitting on much higher inventories at this point in time. Also, when you look at the surplus estimates itself, so while for 2023, it's 100,000. In 2024, that is expected to increase to 188,000. So the next 2 to 3 years, a lot of copper projects are expected to come online, and that would mean more supplies coming into the market. And copper is not the only one. That's exactly what we are looking at in other metals as well. Aluminum, for example, well, the prices have seen a decline of nearly 5% in this year. And from the highs of 2023, we are 15% in the negative from there. Here as well, when you look at the supplies and the global market estimates there, well, 2023 is staring at a deficit of 191,000 tons. But next year, that is expected to go half or less at 66,000 tons. So we are looking at more supplies increasing in aluminum as well. Nickel continues to be an underperformer in the sector. It is used in steel and in EV as well. But the prices have seen a decline of 27% in this year. There is rise in Indonesia output, and that has been weighing onto the markets. Here as well, to begin with, we are in surplus. So this year, the surplus is seen as around 200,000 tons. Next year as well, there would be a build-up on that. So 150,000 tons of a surplus next year as well is what you can see in nickel. So even with all that EV demand and energy transition, many of these metals are expected to be in surplus this year and the next as well.
Okay, got that. We'll watch out for this. Thank you very much, Manisha, for all the details.